Hi guys, I've been naughty. I really have. Do you guys remember when I told you that I was going to be really good and not spend money until after Christmas? Well, look what happened. It could be worse really, because Tory Burch had a 40% off sale, and in fact, it's still going on now. So let me show you some of the items that I got, and if you're interested, hopefully you can score them at 40% off as well. Before we get into the video, I do want to tell you guys, if you love Tory Burch the way I do and you buy quite a few things throughout the year, it is best to either buy in the boutique or online, because they do keep track of your purchases. And I don't know what the amount is, but at the end of the year, they will send you a certificate, $50 certificate to spend any way you like. So in the past, I would order things from Nordstrom, Tory Burch from Nordstrom, and I stopped doing that because, of course, I want a certificate at the end of the year. So I didn't know if you guys knew about it. I'm always the last one to find out about things, but my friend Alex told me about it. Thank you so much, Alex. But I love Tory Burch, and I want every purchase to count toward a certificate the end of the year. So before we get started, let me show you my bag of the week. It just so happens to be this gorgeous Tory Burch backpack. Is this not gorgeous? It fits my lifestyle. It has all these beautiful colors. The leather is so soft and supple. I love the mustard accents. These are very usable pockets here. You know, a lot of bags have pockets that you just really can't put anything in them, but this bag is very functional and I absolutely love it. And I did put a base shaper, and it looks so much better since I put a base shaper in the bottom of it. And I got it on Amazon, and I will try to find it and link it below. But this is great, and it's on sale. If you love this backpack, it is on sale on the Tory Burch website. You know, I really did make a genuine effort to be good, but you know, I can only be good for so long and then I break. And when I look online and I see Tory Burch shoes on sale for 40% off, there's just no way that I can resist that. So I've got my computer here, and I'm just going to share with you what I got, how much they were before they were on sale, and what I paid for them. So let me just scroll through and find the first pair. Or what I need to do is, I'm not sure what's in this box. So I got three packages here, and of course I've already looked at them, but I love Tory Burch packaging. It's so luxe, and you get the certificate and the beautiful gold stamp. Let's see what pair is in this box. You guys, do not love Tory Burch boxes. I have a whole closet full, and they're so pretty, I can't stand to throw them away, but I just love them. I love the logo. Here is the receipt, just like if you were buying a luxury item. A single dust bag. And like I said, I have already opened these and looked at these. Okay, this is the last pair that I got. So these, look at these loafers. Patty, you need these. Are these not gorgeous? There are several different styles, but I couldn't find them in my size. And the last time I was in Tory Burch, the sales associate told me that they are trying to make Tory Burch shoes more exclusive. So after they make certain styles and after they're sold out, they won't bring them back. Of course, that doesn't apply to the Miller sandals and certain styles, but styles like this, once they're gone, you will not get them again. And I think that's a fabulous idea. Okay, so look at the sides with the gold heel. It kind of reminds me of my Louis Vuitton sneakers with the gold heel. I am absolutely in love with these shoes. They are fabulous. So let me look on the website and give you guys the information. So I'm looking on the website for these, and I don't see this pair on there anymore. Like I said, once they're gone, they're gone. You might find them somewhere else, like Saks or Nordstrom, but like I said, you won't get the points toward a certificate. But there are other styles, well, the same style in other colors. And these are called the Jessa loafer, but these are patent. The ones that I'm looking at online are velvet, and they were regular $348, and I got these for $239. So that's a really good savings. And yeah, I just got these the other day and they're already gone from the website. So the Jessa velvet loafer, the sizes are limited, but they still do have quite a few different sizes. So if you're interested, the velvet loafers are fabulous. Let me see if this will show. There they are. I'm almost tempted to go on there and get these because these are different since they have the velvet, kind of a burgundy color. But there are 22 reviews, 5-star reviews. Now, when I purchased these, I got mine in size 7.5. I'm a 7.5 and 8. But the reason that I went with a 7.5 is because my feet are wide and short. So a lot of times my heels will flop up and down in the back. And when I first took these out of the box, I said out loud, oh my gosh, they're going to be too thin for me. But they're not. It's kind of deceiving really, because I put them on and they were instantly very comfortable for me anyway. And I feel like they're going to stretch and mold to my feet, and they are just so well made. And I just love the brushed aged gold hardware on the front. These beautiful, what is that? Is that a snake or a horse head? I think it's a horse head. So I absolutely love these. So I would highly recommend them. And like I said, I got mine in a 7.5. You guys, these are so beautiful. I could not wait to share with you guys. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, YotaStyle Lux, L-U-X, you already know what's in here. These are the perfect holiday shoe. So I was looking for something special because I always have a few parties to go to, and these are absolutely perfect for me. I'm so excited. And these are called the Madison Mary Jane Pump, and they were regularly, hold on, $498, and I got them for $349. I've got my computer sitting over here, so I'm really excited. I got a really good buy on these, and they are fabulous. Let me show you what's in the box. I've always loved a shoe in this particular style, the Mary Jane Pump, and I have several pair already, but nothing quite like this. So here they are. And you know, I would have paid $500 for these easily. But when I saw that they had went on sale, because I saw them before they were on sale and I was considering them because I thought they're perfect for Christmas, New Year's, parties, weddings, anything special like that. And when they went on sale, this is actually the first pair that I got because I snagged them immediately. And maybe they'll go on sale even more, and they're still on the website. They are absolutely breathtaking. Let me take this paper out. Tory Burch, they stuff their shoes so well. The packaging is beautiful. The heels were wrapped with this felt. But like I said, I've already tried these on. Now these are a size 7.5. Are those not a beautiful shoe? I think they are stunning, absolutely stunning. Look at the heel. They're definitely a showstopper. So the heel, I'm not sure if it's showing well enough on camera, but they're gold and silver. They alternate gold and silver with a wooden heel. The bottom is so soft. The inside is very cushiony. And I love a Mary Jane, and I feel, I mean, to me, these look like 70s retro. And I love that look. And I just found these to be so special. It's not a shoe that you're gonna see running around often. I think that I will get a lot of compliments off of these shoes. And you don't unsnap them, you just slip them on. And when I first got them, I thought maybe I should have gotten an 8. And I probably would have, but there wasn't an 8 available on the website, and I noticed just now that there is. So I think if you just keep looking, maybe they will replenish some of the different styles and sizes. So just keep checking out the website. But these are my holiday shoes, and I cannot wait to wear these. And with something like this, I would just style it with something very simple. You would not want to wear anything pattern, or I would not. I'll probably just wear something black, simple and black, with some gold or silver earrings, and these shoes, they are a showstopper. That's all you're gonna need. So these are my Mary Janes, and I am thrilled with this purchase. Okay, I was going to say I saved the best for last, but not really, because I don't know of the 3 purchases which one I like the best. But this one, it's in a bigger box, and yes, they're booties, and I love these so much that I might get another pair, because with the discount, let's see, they were $428, and I paid $290 for these. So let me show you which booties I got. You guys know, those of you that watch me, I talk about it a lot. I'm just a fanatic when it comes to a bootie. I love boots, but booties are my thing. So again, the beautiful box, and the receipt, and I got these. Are they not gorgeous? Oh my gosh, it's got the Tory Burch logo here in the back. They're just a slip-on with the elastic here. The lug, look at the bottom of them. So you could wear them in the winter time. They're that beautiful pebbled leather with the white detail here. The Miller lug sole bootie. And of course there are 21 reviews, 5-star reviews on these, and they come in 2 different colors. And I had a really hard time choosing because it's another color called dark tan. It's kind of a caramel color, and these black. And I really almost got the caramel color because really I need those the most, but I'm such one to wear blacks. I just thought I would wear these more, and now I'm not sure. I'll look on the website and see if my size is available, because I'm seriously thinking about getting another pair. And I tried these on, and they are so soft and so comfortable. I wore them around the house, and they don't feel like they're high because of the platform. So, you know, it looks like a really high boot, but really when you put them on, it really doesn't feel like that at all. If you guys love this backpack and you're interested in it, it is still on the Tory Burch website, and it's the Perry Jaggard flat backpack. And it was $498, and that's what I paid for it. I paid full price for it back in the summer, but I haven't regretted it. But now you can get it for $349, so that is a fantastic buy for a fabulous backpack. So I just wanted to let you guys in on that. And I absolutely love Tory Burch. Which pair of shoes are your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of my family. We are fast approaching 2,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. And I'm going to be doing a Christmas giveaway. Okay, so I decided I was going to do a surprise Christmas giveaway, and I just did a paint night party last week, and this is what we painted. And so I'm going to be giving this away, and if you would like to win this in the giveaway, just say enter me, and I will give you a number, and for next week's video I will draw, and whoever wins gets this little gingerbread house painted by me. And this is what our class painted. It was a lot of fun, and one of my subscribers had suggested, why don't you give that away? So I'm gonna give it away. And I also will be doing a giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers. And from time to time, I'm going to be doing more painting videos. I put one up last Wednesday, and if you're interested in that, let me know. And also let me know what kinds of things that you would like to see me paint. And until next week, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.